Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video, we are discuss about how we can create server in Node.js. So this is our very first program where we are printing that hello world using that console log. Okay, let me remove this. So in this video, we are using that HTTP inbuilt module. We are not using any third-party module or third-party framework. In upcoming video, we are using that Express framework for create a server and use so many functionality of that Express. Okay, so here simply I'm just importing the HTTP, and if you are not understanding this require and all the things, so we have that video creating for the module, so you can check those video and come back to here. So in this video we are using require method to import that HTTP. In HTTP we have one method called create server. So using create server, it is receiving two parameter request and response, and it is returning the callback function. Okay, and using the listen method, so we are creating those main server. So here we just need to pass the port number, and also it is this responding that callback function. Here I'm just simply console log server is running on 3000 and save this. Here you can see in create server I'm not doing anything, not writing any code for the response. Okay, so if I open the terminal and I'm do that node, so there are two way using node and file name also we can run this, and another method is npm start, which is doing the same thing is node.index.js. Okay, I'm just simply node index.js and enter. You can see that server is running 3000, same message we are getting. But if we try to run this 3000, we are not getting any response, and this is running and running, right? So to resolve this issue, we just need to do the response. Okay, so simply I'm doing welcome to code with Ira. And if I save this and again I'm running, we are still not able to get the response, right? Because when we update the code, we need to restart the server. So let me do control C again. So now can run npm start also. Behind this, it is doing the same thing, node index.js. And now we are getting server is running on 3000. And now if I'm refresh, you can see we are getting that welcome to code with Chirag, right? So this is that basic program to create a server. Okay. Now, if you want to resolve this issue, right? When we update the code again, we need to restart the server. So to avoid this, we have that one package called nodemon. Okay, that using that package, we are runtime we can restart the server. So that also we can discuss here. We do control C. Okay, and npm install. You can write that short form I also, and if you want, then you can write entire thing install also. Both are valid things. Nodemon. Okay, and I'm using for that development purpose only. Okay, that's why I'm using that save day only. So here in package JSON, you can see instead of dependency, we are getting the dev dependency. So this dev dependency only used for that local development only, and it is not. So when we upload our code in production, it is not install this package in that production. Okay, so that is the benefits of dev dependency. Okay, now instead of node, here we can use that nodemon index.js. Okay, now if I run this npm start. Okay, you can see that here you can see nodemon starting node index.js server is running 1000. If I refresh this, we are getting welcome to code with Jira. Here, let me update this. Um, sorry, And when we save this, you can see server is restarting itself, restarting due to the change. And now if I'm refresh this, you're getting the latest. So using nodemon, we can easily restart the server itself. So, and one more thing, so here we can also optimize some our code. So suppose just defining this port here. So this is the best practice. So when we need to change the port, we don't need to update manually everywhere. We just need to update the variable. Here also we can define the port, and instead of directly using this, we can define this as a one variable. It creates server, launched server. This is for best practice. If you want to use, then you can use. Else, that previous method also works fine. So you can see that code looks like a better compared to the previous one. So and that's it from this video. So in upcoming video also we can see how we can get that port number and all things from that environment variable. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.